Hello, this video is going to be about tools that you can use for identifying minerals. First one is hydrochloric acid, and it can detect minerals that are carbonates, like calcite, which is calcium carbonate. So for this purpose you can use 5% hydrochloric acid. I also have that earbud for easy dispensing. So as you can see, the hydrochloric acid reacts with the limestone. It sizzles because it generates some carbon dioxide. I don't know if you can see, but it also reacts with the calcite. Okay, so next thing is going to be brushes. They are not for identifying, but they are useful because you can just clean the mineral and see what it is. Next thing is a little bit more complicated and more expensive because it's a Geiger counter. So as you can see, it measures the radioactivity in microsieverts per hour. And here is the average dose, the background radiation. So this is a radioactive mineral called torbanite. It's a uranium mica. Let's see if the Geiger counter detects the radiation. See, it's detecting something. It's not a lot. It's a weak mineral. The mineral was to 0.57 microsieverts. Next thing is really simple because these are just magnets. You can get magnets anywhere. You probably have one at home. And you can use also neodymium magnets. These are normal iron magnets. This is a little stronger one. This is the weaker one. And let's see if it sticks to some magnetite. This is magnetite. So now we know that it is magnetic. Another useful tool that you can use for identifying minerals is a blacklight torch. It was fairly cheap and works really well. Some minerals can also be identified just by telling how dense they are. For example, this is a big cluster of quartz, sphalerite and galena, so it's really heavy. because galena is a lead ore, and lead is of course really dense and heavy. And here's one of the most important things. So it's the kind of pickaxe hammer that you can break the stones with and see if they have any geodes or something. It's really useful. This side of the pickaxe can also reach some minerals in a cavity or something. And I'm also wearing some gloves, because if you're looking for minerals, you're probably gonna get dirty, so it's better to have gloves. And also some radioactive minerals can be quite dangerous, so it's better to work in gloves. For transporting and packaging the minerals, I use some foil, and it really protects the mineral. So just wrap the mineral in foil and put it in some packaging so it won't get destroyed or anything. And the last thing is going to be the color of the streak and the hardness. So, for example, I have a piece of gypsum here. It's really soft. It has a 2 hardness in Mohs scale. So theoretically you can scratch it with your nail. See, that's a scratch right here. And gypsum, for example, gives off white streak on a sandpaper. With malachite, which is green, gives off green streak. Well, it's kind of green and black, but it's kind of not pure, because it's a little bit malachite on a matrix.